Okay, so I'm in animal company right now with my friend.
I made him fart.
Let's do some pranking.
I'm new to this place, so I don't know what to do. Okay.
Frick.
I'm Scary Gary.
Go in here. Just go in. Go in.
Oh.
Okay.
I kind of like nuts.
Not you. Go in.
I love Nut Horizon.
I'm on a zip line!
Dynamite. Okay. And I'm gonna die.
Oh, I think we should come out. I bet. Let's go out. We're coming out. That was a pretty long day. I'm pretty tired. Wait. Hey.
Whoa.
Huh?
It didn't work. Hey guys, can you come here?
What did wrong?
Can you come here?
Sure.
Yeah. What is
Ooh,
this
what's
for?
that?
Just press it.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Okay, guys, you want broccoli? Here, come here.
I know, broccoli.
Broccoli.
Ooh, is this like a platter for it?
Hey, buddy.
I got him. Ooh. Bun dun 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 dun.
Candle.
Ooh, a candle. Yo.
What's it? Oh, looks like it's
Ooh,
already
it's
going.
lighting up. It's lighting up. Ooh, pretty smoky, right? Oh, I love it. Smells good.
Hey, buddy.
I got him. Ooh.
Oh man, what was that?
Oh, I don't like that. What happened? Oh, bro, what is that, bro? What is that, bro? What is that, bro? Get here with me, bro. Come here.
It's safe here.
Party. Yeah, I bet it is safe in here.
Party, party,
Wait, do you
party.
No! Okay, bro, let's
Get
get
our
in here so
suitcase.
we can have a party since he's not here.
Alright.
Bro, I like it here. Wait,
No, what's that noise? No!
Oh, bro, we gotta get out of here. Too late.
I should say, got him. Ooh, ooh.
Hey, buddy.
I got him. Ooh,